In this video, we're going to understand imperial units of capacity and convert roughly between metric and imperial units. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at those three examples. So imperial units of capacity are still commonly used. The common ones are the pint and the gallon. A gallon is 8 pints. And then to convert between metric and imperial units, we can use these approximate conversions. A litre is approximately 1.75 pints, and a gallon is approximately 4.5 litres. And there are all different conversions because these are not exactly equal, and sometimes they use rougher ones that are maybe easier to do calculations with without a calculator. So just to put that out there, sometimes you can get very differing answers if you maybe using a certain conversion with compared to maybe what the textbook's using. So in an exam situation, you would be given these sort of conversions. You wouldn't be expected to know that a litre is 1.75 pints or a gallon is 4.5 litres. This topic is more just to get you used with how you would go about doing it if you were given the conversion. So you're not expected to memorize these conversions, but if they were given, then you should be able to perform the conversions. So question 11. Give roughly the number of pints that is equivalent to 6 litres. Well, 1 litre is 1.75 pints. We've got litres and pints, and the question is about litres and pints. So if 1 litre is 1.75 pints, 6 litres would be 6 times 1.75. And that gives you 10.5 or 10.5 pints. Question 12. Give roughly the number of gallons that is equivalent to 40 litres. Now 1 gallon is 4.5 litres. If you had 9 litres, then that would be 2 gallons. So as we increase the number of litres, we get more gallons in. What if we had 40 litres? How many 4.5s fit into 40? That would be how many gallons fit into 40 litres. That's one approach. So that would be getting 40 litres and seeing how many times 4.5 fits into that, which would give you 8.8 recurring, and that would be gallons. If you use this, however, you could say that 40 litres, how many pints is that? Well, 40 times 1.75 would give you 70 pints. And then you know that 8 pints make a gallon. So you'd say, well, how many 8s go into 70? And do 70 divided by 8, which gives you 8.75 gallons. Now, both of those would be correct. You're only doing a rough conversion, so you can see by using different conversions, you get slightly different answers. But they're not far off each other. 0.88 and 0.75. So both of those would be fine. Probably that one's the quicker one. Question 13. Give roughly the number of litres that is equivalent to 8 gallons. Well, 8 gallons, 1 gallon we know is 4.5 litres. So we could do 8 times 4.5. And that would give you 36 litres. Okay, you could go a longer route. I don't think you want to. You could change the gallons into pints and then the pints to litres. But I think that's sufficient there. That would be the quickest way to do that question.